Hello everyone, welcome to another music theory tutorial video. So we will look at augmented thirds and diminished thirds today. Check out the full list here at the website. So let's do a quick recap. So for major thirds, we can notate that with a lowercase m and then a 3, or you can just put down 3. For minor thirds, you can just put down a flat 3 or use this, put down a lowercase m, put a line above it, and then 3. And very importantly, you have to memorize the interval. So for thirds, by definition, it's basically in 2 notes. That's a 2 whole step apart. For minor thirds, the 2 notes should be 1.5 step apart, okay? Or 3 half steps. So that's a super quick recap. Okay, so we're almost there actually. So for augmented thirds, all you have to do is obtain the major third and then sharpen that. For diminished thirds, all you have to do is to obtain the minor third and then flatten that. So let's do an example. For example, let's go from C to E. That's your major third, right? Okay. So if you want an augmented third, just sharpen that. And that's your augmented third, all right? Same thing here. If you want a diminished third, all you have to do is first obtain a minor third, and then you have to flatten that one more time. So that's your diminished third. All right. So let's do a few exercises in this video. So I'm gonna probably reuse some of the examples in the last video. So let's go from G, D. Let's just do G, D, A, E for augmented. All right, let's work on them. So augmented thirds. That's what we're going for right now. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, G. Again, quantity. So GAB. Repetition is your friend, so don't hesitate to repeat, okay? GAB, that's your major third, but you want to double check that, right? So GA, whole step, A and B, whole step, so we're good. But you want an augmented third here, so that should be a B sharp, all right? D, F, quantity first, but then this one's too small. D, E, let's D and E is a whole step, E and F is a half step, so you have to make it a major third by putting it sharp there. But we're still short, half step short, because we want to make this an augmented third. So you have to put in the double sharp, right? So this one doesn't actually exist. It's just really for explaining the matter, subject matter. Okay, so F double sharp. Okay, so A, B, C, it's a minor third, right? So A and B a whole step, B and C a half step, so that's actually a minor third. That's too small, so that's a major third. You have to sharpen that one more time, so that should be a C double sharp. Remember, notation-wise is not very consistent. For double sharps, you have to put down this symbol here, an X across. And for double flats, you put down 2 flats, okay? Okay, E and G, that's a minor third, right? So major third, but then you want an augmented third. So G, like that, all right? So that's your augmented intervals, augmented third intervals. Let's see if I can squeeze them on the right-hand side here. Okay, so let's go for the diminished thirds here. All right, so let me reuse some of the notes. So let's put down F, and then D, and then a G. Let's put on G here again. Let's I don't know. Let's put down C one more time. All right. All right, so F, G, A. First of all, I would grab the quantity first again. But this one's too large because F, G, A is actually a major third. So you want to flatten that to get a minor third first. And flatten that one more time, so A double flat. All right. D, what about D? D, E, F is already a minor third. That's great. So I just have to flatten that to grab the D diminished third, okay? G to B, that should be a major third. Okay, one flat, that should be a minor third. Another flat, diminished third, all right? C, D, E, a major third. Put a one flat, that should become a minor third. Another flat, that should diminished third. All right, so that's it for this video. So hopefully everything is okay on your side. Okay, so in the next video we'll move on to fourths. Okay, so I see you in the next one.